Good morning everyone, it's Graham from Lakeside, and this is a remake of the last video I did. And the reason I've done that is because as I was watching it I thought, well, it's all well and good, but the cab view was actually showing a class 50, and I thought, well, as it was a tribute to the HSTs, wouldn't it be a good idea if the cab view was actually of an HST, class 43? So I hunted around on the internet to see if I could find a decent photo to manipulate into a class 43 as a cab view. And I found one, and it was actually a very good photograph, I thought. And so what I did, I bought that and downloaded it. And then I took that into Photoshop, deleted all the imagery in front of the windscreen, and made that clear so that I could then see the imagery of the video. And then I just retouched it to soften the lines where I cut it out, put some raindrops on the windscreen, did the wipe of the windscreen wiper, and a few other bits and pieces. And then I put that into the previous video, took the old class 50 image out and put the class 43 image in. And it worked out okay. So let's see what that come out like, and I'll get back to you after that. Okay, so bye for now, speak to you later. Hello everyone and welcome back. Hopefully you've enjoyed that little snippet of video. It was done as a bit of fun really. I enjoy making those videos which show the cab view going through the window of a cab. And I think it adds to a little bit of realism to the video. It's just a bit of fun, a test video if you like, to see how it came out. You don't see much of the track work, I admit, but that's neither here nor there, to be honest with you. It's more of a case of the impression you get when you are standing behind a driver, in this case of an HST. I think it gives a good impression going around the track of as if you were actually inside a real HST. So anyway, hopefully you've enjoyed it. I'd say it's a bit of fun, and I've been so busy this week in the garden that I just hadn't had time to reply to virtually any of the comments on the last two videos. So bear with me, I will reply to you, I promise, but I just need a little bit of space and time to actually sit down and do it. Yeah, as regards this video, then I'm pretty pleased with the outcome of it. Anyway, treat it as a test video if you want, and as I say, a little bit of fun. I enjoyed doing the image myself in Photoshop. That was nice to do. Okay, so I will leave it for that, and I will speak to you again later. Okay, so bye for now. Oh, by the way, I've got my Sparky 107 t-shirt on, so thank you Dave for sending this to me, much appreciated. So I'm supporting your channel here. What else? Oh, the Elmer's glue has come, so I'm now able to finish off that last section of gluing. So it's all coming together. Good. Okay, so speak to you later. Bye.